Excited na ba kayo? Yes, oo naman, excited na rin ako.
This is for the kick-off of our National Women's Month celebration. Okay? So, this gathering, as we have written in our concept paper,
SM Cares, the Philippine Commission on Women conveys its gratitude to every one of you for coming here and joining the kick-off of the National Women's Month celebration this year.